Welcome! In front of me I have Garett Women Nicole smartband, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the phone application. Before we start, a couple of things. First, if you want to use this method of the factory reset, your smartband needs to be paired with a phone via the JU Pro application. The second thing is to make sure that the battery level on your smartband is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. So once your smartband is paired with a phone and the battery level on it is at least above 30%, we can continue. And now we can open the JU Pro application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. In the application, you should see the home screen. Now tap on the device icon. On this page, tap on more settings. And here you should see the factory reset option. So let's tap on the factory reset, tap on confirm. Your smartband will turn off. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And then let's try turning it back on by pressing and holding on the touch sensitive button for a couple of seconds. And after a second or two, the smartband should turn on and it should vibrate a couple of times. This means that the factory reset is complete. And when we go back to watch face, like this, as you can see, the watch face changed, and also the statistics are wiped. Okay. Okay, and that's how you factory reset this smartband by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.